Hey my friends, welcome back. Need quick cash from your RCBC credit card? A cash advance is a handy option, but it comes with fees and interest you need to know. So guys, first confirm you're eligible. RCBC requires you to wait 6 months after your card's issuance date to use cash advances. Check your card's start date. Your cash advance limit is part of your total credit limit, usually 20 or 30%. Viewable in your RCBC Pulse app or statement. You'll need a cash advanced PIN mailed to your billing address after 6 months. No PIN, call their number to request one. It takes 10 to 15 days per Reddit. Step 2. Hit an ATM. Use any ATM with bank net, Cirrus Plus, JCB or Union Pay logos. RCBC ATMs skip extra acquirer fees. Insert your card. Enter your PIN, select cash advanced, and choose an amount up to your limits. Expect a fee of 3% or $10 for dollar cards, whichever is higher, plus 3.55 monthly interest from day one. So guys, if you prefer a bank, you can visit a branch in Metro Manila or select provincial locations. You need to bring your card and a valid ID, like a password. And guys, step 4, you can watch the fees. ATMs may add acquirer fees and interest compounds daily with no grace period. So that's how you do a cash advance on the RCBC card. Check eligibility, use an ATM or branch, and repay quickly to cut costs. Drop your experience below, my friends. Like and subscribe for more finance hacks, and I'll see you very, very soon.